first month is January. Can you say January?
January.
Let's spell it January, January. Next is February, say it with me.
February.
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 Let's spell it
February, February.
The third month is March, say it loud.
March. March.
Spell it M-A-R-C-H. March.
The fourth month is April, your turn. April. 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 Let's spell it A-P-R-I-L. April.
Now comes May, easy one.
May.
May.
Spell it
M-A-Y. May.
The sixth month is June, ready. June. 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 Spell it J-U-N-E. June.
Next is July, say it with me.
July.
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 Spell it J-U-L-Y. July.
The eighth month is August, let's say
August. August.
August.
Spell it A-U-G-U-S-T. August.
Now we have September, say it loud.
September.
September.
Spell it S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. The 10th month is October, say it with me. October. October.
Spell it O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October.
Next is November, ready?
November.
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 Spell it N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. And the last month is December, say it loud.
December.
December.
Spell it D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December.
Great job, friends. We learned all 12 months. Let's say them all together, ready?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September,